How to turn off app location access on Starbucks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off location access for the Starbucks app right from your phone. So if you value privacy or just want to save some battery, this one is for you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as apps. And now here, simply tap on manage apps, and after that you'll be prompted to the page where you see the list of all your install apps. So here you can simply scroll through the apps or tap on the search bar, and here you can simply type in Starbucks and search for the app. Now here simply tap on Starbucks from the result, and after that you'll be prompted to the app settings. Now here, once you're inside the Starbucks app settings, just scroll down and tap on the option labeled as app permissions. And now here, once you are inside the app permissions, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as location. So as of right now, it's not allowed for my location access, but if it is allowed, you can just change it from allow only while using the app or ask every time to don't allow. And after that, you will turn off your location access on the Starbucks. And that's it. That's how you can turn off the location access for the Starbucks app right from your phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.